Welcome back to another Dixon family video. If you don't know, I will beg you, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Now, today, we're going to show you what I go on. When we see a bird nest, I will say we're going to check it out. Read, so, up another tree. Yeah. Up there, so. You see up there, though? Yeah, out there, so we're going to go. We're going to go out there, so, and we're going to look what going on up there. Yeah. Alright. I find the other day we see it. I will say we'll check him out. We don't know what's going on up there yet still, so make we start it. Pass the camera. Give me the camera. Up there now, up there now, up there now, up there now. Wow. Know what that Jamaican lizard that, you know. Trouble that. Trouble him. Me say out there. See the road there, look. See if me can make it up there. Up there now. Up there. Through that little road there. Up there, up there, up there. Up there. Up. So when we are climbing tree, we can't even climb tree. Tree rocky, you know. Tree rocky. Tree rocky. Alright. Make it up one little part. Look over this, you know. You know what's going over this already. This is the coal bed. Over in there. So you know, look, but that's enough for today. As I say, I bird nest, so I'm going to look at it. Want to see what's going on in the nest. Screechy and look through. Creep through. Alright, let's go in there now. Right now, look at me go there. Actually, I try see and look. See him there right there, so. In there right there, so. In there right there, so. See him there. In there right there, so. Look at time go up and see what happens. Alright. Try to get a take on bird, but the boy is swift enough, he may fly quick. So, I think that time, see him jump there. See him there? He fly out and reach the ground. You see him? See him fly down the ground there. I jump up and down. All over the place. No, it's a bird time. Alright. So, we practically almost reach up where nest there. Wow, this is going up here. This is going up here. Okay. Christy now. Hi, bird. That. See them look there? There's like a two of them. Two little baby in the nest. Them bird here, we normally call them white wing. As you see, and here them wing have a little white and then something there. Pretty nice bird. Sometimes when them sing really nice. If I get the chance to hear them. You know, I really hear them now still. Try if you get up a little bit more. Let's see them. Okay. Alright, see them there. Two of them. Two of them. Hi bird, hi bird. And they really grow really fast. Check it out. Not really. Oh, can't really move too swift with them. You know. Got them. I really genial them. In all aspect, them a genial bird. But, hey, that's it. That's how they look. That's the white wings. I think they're like 2 weeks old or so. So them really like the next few days. Like by now next week they're supposed to fly. They're flying and so them leave the area. But just kinda that's it. I just wanna show you guys how the bird nest look in Jamaica. Oh, they really operate. So these birds are nice birds to raise as pets also. So bye for now and see it. Remember, subscribe, like, share your video also. Say bye birdie birdie. Bye. Bye bird. Bye bird. Bye bird. Bye.